Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you the technique of changing the background. This photo was like that and I changed the background, and I will show the technique how to change it out and how to make the photo more realistic and how to add the ambient light and other stuffs in this video tutorial. So if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. So let's start the tutorial. At first, go to the file and open up. Here is the stock image, and I downloaded this one from devana.com, and I'll give you that download link in my video description. So if you need, you can check it out. And I'll crop it out at first, this portion, and then press Ctrl J, and then I'll unlock this one and delete this one, and after that press Ctrl T and you can make it bigger. So here, yeah, that's good. So after that, hit the tick button and then make copy by pressing Ctrl J of this layer and go to the quick selection tool, or you can press the W from the keyboard and make the bigger size by pressing third bracket closing and just select the model. So when you are selecting, please be careful about selection, so don't miss out any portion of the model. So carefully you have to select this out and select here the plus option, it will select, and here the area, the portion of the model. So if you need, you can just make the brush size smaller by pressing third bracket opening and just drag the relevant area, which one you want to select out. So make it smaller as you want. So here, this portion and this portion as well. If you need, you can just deselect any area, press the Alt button and hold it, and you can deselect any area. So take time to select the model and the area. It will make your photography or the manipulation work more realistic. So select this portion, deselect this one, press the Alt button and deselect this portion. So you can zoom it in or out if you need this one. So here, and make that radius bigger. So that's good. And this portion, and this portion as well. So take maximum time to selection for the model. Yeah, it will make more perfect your photography. Here, this portion, here I left this portion and I'll select it carefully. So here this portion, here as well, and this area, and the highlighted area as well, the here, and yeah, it's fulfilled. From the selection, here is the select and mask option, Ctrl Alt R. Press the shift button and hold it and press it. Yeah, it will take time to, yeah, that's fine. Here is the refine edge. Those edge like the hair and other stuffs, I'll refine these portions. So the setting will be like that. The radius will be 7.9 pixel, smooth will be 35, and feather 4.2, and contrast 24, edge shifting plus 14, and here the new layer with the layer mask. And this portion, which portion you want to more refining, please drag that portion. Yeah, it will help you out to make the perfection. So if you need, you can make the radius bigger. So this portion is critical to select, so it will define the refining the edges and it will be more realistic. So it will take time your own and give you the selection. Yeah, that's good. And this portion as well, so that's good. And then hit the OK button. Yeah, it will take time to load it up, and you're getting the blank layer, that means transparent layer. And then now I'll cut the model out from this background. How to do that? And before that, you have to do one thing. So right press and the apply layer mask, and then press the Ctrl button, and when you're getting the dotted box, please select here and then select this one and just turn it off. And then go to the select again and modify, and the expand option, make it 30 pixel and hit OK. Yeah, that's good. And now I'll remove background from here. How to do that? I'll apply the content viewer process. So go to the edit options and make it fill, and here the content viewer, and hit the OK button. So it will take time to load, and it will delete the model from the background. Yeah, and it will make blank. So the rest of the thing you have to delete from the spot healing brush tool, and just make it like that. Content viewer, select here content viewer, these options, and it will be like blank layer. And now we are getting the model and we are getting the background. So after that, here I'll turn it off, and then go to the file options and place embedded. Here's this stock sky, and I'll give you that sky download link in my video description. So hit the tick button, and then right press, restylize a layer and mask it. And from here, the gradient tool, from here I'll select this gradient and the linear actually. So I'll just delete this portion. That means I'm masking this portion actually. So these two things I'll merge. Press Ctrl E, and then I'll turn on the model, and then I'll do blur for the like realistic look, and go to the filter and the blur gallery, tilt shift. From here I'll just take the circle in a downside and this portion as well, and gradually I'll make it a little bit blurry, around 35 or 53 pixel is good, and I'll make like this. That means this portion will be blurry, and hit the tick button. It will take time to make it blur. So yeah, it's done. And then press Ctrl T and make it a little bit bigger. So here you are getting some just area. So if I make it here like that, it will gone. And then here I'll select these model options and take a new blank layer and select a color from here. The color code possibly FB F8C4 and hit the OK button. And then here the brush tool, and take the first one brush, and size will be around 400 pixel is good, and hardness 0%. Just select once, press Ctrl T and make it bigger, and the radius will be, yeah, that's good. And go to the blending mode and make it a screen. Yeah, that's nice. And select these three things, make it group and make it merge. And after that, filter and Nik Collection. Now time to add another effects, and it will make the photograph more dramatic and more realistic. So this Color Effects Pro 4 is another plugins of the Photoshop, and if you want to get these plugins, please check out my video description. From here, the cross processing, and I'm using here lots of filter here. You can use one of them. So C04, this one I'll use, and hit the OK button. Yeah, it will take time to load it up and give you the final output. Yeah, it's done. And now I'll adjust the color. So for that, go to the adjustment layer and the levels. From here, you can adjust the light. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, the before one, our ordinary image, non-edited, and after one you are getting the dramatic look. So this type of output I just give and post on my community of YouTube. So much thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query, or request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the stock image link, please check out my video description. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, and hit the bell icon for the new notification always. So I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.